Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, YouTuber, online marketer. Welcome to my channel. For you who are not subscribers, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make a comment if you feel like it, and most of all, share this with your friends and family. First of all, this is not my music in the background. It's a little jazz station. Hey, this is a quick video, guys. I'm coming to you with some info about making money online. You know, if you were here with me in 2019, I told you I was going to be doing a lot more making money online, and what's been working for me for the last couple of years in 2020. So I think my first one I did was Fiverr. Like I said, I mean, if you check that video out, if you started your making money online journey, you couldn't really do it easier other than Fiverr. This is a extension ad. Another one that I use is called Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is it's an incredible tool for making money online, building websites. You can do it just about anything. Look, you got a lot of those really inexpensive website builders, Wix and those other ones. But one thing I love about Wealthy Affiliate is that you could go through all the training and understand how websites work, how SEO works, what's the most important thing, and how to get members and signups and that sort of thing to your website and subscribers. And I tell you, it's been a journey over the last 2 years. And I've been doing all of this stuff for about 2 years, and it's really starting to pay off now because I put really a lot more time into it. I would say, people always say, spend X amount of time. Look, if you do an hour, if you're working a full-time job and you're trying to get there, first of all, I want to say, don't quit your daytime job. Don't quit your day job or night job or whatever you're doing, your full-time job, until you get to the point where you can do it, that you're making the money online that kind of substitutes what you're doing now and eventually surpass what you're doing now. Because look, that's what I'm chasing. And my goal is to have 5 to 7 income streams, and I have 4 to 5 now pretty consistently. So I encourage you guys to keep your day job until you get to that point where you no longer need a full-time job or your current job. But you put a little time in it, this will pay off. And I know you can't, especially for some of you guys who are probably watching this video for the first time or searching the internet, for the truth, not some people who put these gaudy numbers up and you can't even see yourself getting there. And believe me, I've been there. So look, I just want to let you know that it is possible to start making money online, but you have to do the work. There is no overnight get rich quick scheme. You definitely have to put in the time and effort and learn how to do this. There are some new tools on there that make things a lot easier, and I'll get into those later. But Wealthy Affiliate, I got one website on there, and I'm definitely going to probably build a few more blogs here in the next month or so to sell my affiliate marketing. It's all about affiliate marketing. It's all about training. It's all about, when I started out with Wealthy Affiliate, I think I was like at 300,000, because they give you a ranking. And right now I think I'm at like 1240, 1250 or something, which just blows my mind, just because I've learned. I haven't done a whole lot of posts like a lot of people do, but it's in a great community, and I tell you, you'll learn so much, and you can start with it for free. Yes, I am an affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate. I'll put my link down below for you guys to click on it. You can start with your free trial, and hey, I hope you you get to the premium and actually do this thing, because if you start today, 2 years from now, a year from now, whatever the case may be, even if you put in more time than I did with it, you'll be so far ahead of the game. and you know, guys, that this is what's this is how it's going to be in the future. So start now to get there. But look, I will come back. You know, if you guys follow me, I always try to come back with some proof. I'll probably do one of those screen recordings and show you, you know, kind of how to navigate. I might do a review of it. This is kind of a review, but I'll try to do a little more extensive review on it, and then try to maybe give you a tutorial. But you know, there's thousands of tutorials out there on it. But I just want to let you know that Wealthy Affiliate is the truth. The two owners, man, these guys, young guys, they're killing it. And I tell you, it's the real deal. It's not a scam, and I would recommend it to anyone. So, but I just wanted to drop that to you guys. Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of online marketing, making sense of making money online, guys. And until next time, peace, y'all.